Welcome to the Rage Cage. Today we're taking out a dashboard and replacing a heater core. It's gonna suck. Well, we were feeding the last few gauge wires through. Gotta take that bulb out. Good thing it's got a little shroud on it. And we're gonna have to shove this through.
We're yoinking on it.
It's a yank.
Schwab, you're a fucking yank.
You're a jumbo jack.
Yeah. God damn it.
What's a jumbo jack?
It's a fucking hamburger, dude. Ah! Oh no.
Good thing that's already broken.
Read.
Read is correct. She's out though. Read.
Oh man, that was pretty good.
Oh damn.
That could have been worse.
Is that a little big boy sticker? You can get that at littlebigboys.com.
Get you little big boy stickers like these bad boys right here at littlebigboys.com.
Peep the
Yeah,
seat
'cause we
sticker, by the
broke.
way.
Oh yeah, we got another one right here.
Limited time only.
Yeah.
You know you're an OG fan if you got that one.
Alright, so we've learned after watching a video on how to do this that you have to completely remove the dash support piece here. Not completely, but you have to unbolt it from here and here to remove this box and get at the actual heater core itself, which is smack dab in the center of all this bull crap. This is the last thing I want to be doing right now. But we're gonna get it done, hopefully tonight, and hopefully we'll have a good heater core that'll last a long time, and we won't have to deal with it again, which will be solid.
Yeah.
Bright sides to everything.
Yeah, well, you're a Wendy's 4 for 4. You're not even that good, and you're cheap.
You're Burger King's 2 for 5 or 2 for 6.
You guys should be nicer to each other. I thought we were all friends.
Oh yeah. I like the Burger King's 2 for 6. I mean, most people don't, but I do.
So there is a bunch of rat poop in here. So we're gonna plug in the shop vac and clean it out. We have the opportunity right now to do so. Coose, could you hit the green button?
Go. Green to go. Happy Big Bertha still got the good suck. Oh hell yeah, she a screamer too. Do you know what I wish I had a piece of? The old Skyline. I should have took a piece at Super D. I have a piece of someone's fender from Super D. I don't think that was Super D.
Dude, what are you talking about? We got a piece of the Skyline right here.
Oh yeah. That's Jonas's piece. I want my piece.
I kind of got pieces of the Skyline all over the place, man.
Yeah, but I wanted a piece of the fender, like the blue paint.
Can you catch this?
Oh man, that's sketchy, man.
It's sketchy. I did not. That was a great catch, and I did not mean to do that. I swear to God.
And just like that, the heater core's out. Alright, so Samsquanch and I have been looking over the old heater core, and we've been looking at the new one, and this guy doesn't have the same little pin on it for this flap. This little flapper guy. It doesn't have that pin on it, but it is gonna fit in the same spot, and Samsquanch just found where the leak was. That's no good.
It doesn't look like it probably is sealing as well as it ought to.
Yeah. So that was our problem. I'm glad that I didn't just tear apart all of the interior for absolutely nothing. I was really kind of worried about that.
Was that?
Yeah.
Woo!
The nice burnt orange color.
Hold up the new one.
It's lighter too. More weight reduction.
All right, so we have the heater core installed in its little plastic shroud dude here, and then over here we have what was the old AC like cooling like radiator dude.
There was a thing in there and it was big and now it's out.
That is exactly it. The blower motor will still be able to blow air through this and the whole system. So it will still have a working heater, and all of the vents will work, and you'll still be able to point them and whatnot, and that's cute and will be nice because I still plan to daily this car.
Yeah, fucking daily drifter, bro. It's such a good idea. You should daily your drift car and drift your daily.
Shut up, you're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Schwab. Alright guys, so the heater core is back in, everything is hooked back up, and I mean clearly the dash is not back in, but all the little pipes and tubes whatnot are back in there, and so all we have to do is hook up the heater hoses, and Samsquanch wants to try to hook up the tack and stuff while we have the dash off. So we're gonna wait a little bit for him and see if he's got some information on that, because I'm completely clueless. Alright, we're gonna friggin' take a break from the interior stuff, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna work on the headlights. So I made these weird little brackets a while ago that kind of wrap around the side of the headlights, and they house these 2.5-inch fog lamps that have little halos around them. It's kind of a projector style light, and I'm hoping these will look better on the car than what I was originally using, which was just a 7-inch light bar. And that guy? Yeah.
So they're not like necessarily permanently fixed in place. This set actually looks really good. Look at that. Your boy did some drilling and some cutting and some death wheeling and some Doritos.
Yeah, I just finished the Doritos. I'm kind of bummed about it, actually. A little explanation of why it's lopsided. The intercooler is a high mount intercooler, and so one had to be mounted lower down here and one had to be mounted higher, because the intercooler pipe is like right there. It's a fitment issue. Yeah, they're literally like sitting right on top of each other. Where they're sitting, the metal is just bent, so it's not gonna damage the hose, but It's tight in there, you know.
So we're extending LCAs. We're kind of copying what everybody else kind of does. Villain sells these already done for like $145 with brand new stuff. If you've got the money, just go to them. It's stupid to do this. I think, you know, even with the best price that we could find on these control arms, it's still not going to be that much cheaper than that. Just get them from them. It's the smart thing to do. So in order to try to do this as well as I can without trying not to cut into the arm itself, I'm going to try to cut right here. I just slice right into the limiter. Let's see how many of you can see what's wrong with this picture. Cool, right? Is it cool? These are the same part. The guys at the auto parts store gave us two of the same size. And now we've cut them up, so now we own two. Oh, shit. So not to be deterred by our failure, we're going to go ahead and cut this control arm off. I used the tape and finally just kind of got it centered out the way it would fit, and so I'm going to cut it with cut-off wheel, and I think I'll change to new blade, but after that I'm just going to start cutting. Ah, falling. It's alright. Anyway. Yeah, man, that's it. After beating things with a hammer and a vise with no skill, you did okay. These have been made by thousands of people, thousands of times, so this is nothing super special. It's cool that it's done and it came out pretty flat.
Extendo lower control arm, okay. Yeah, it's welded. It's welded all the way through. It's not super pretty, but it's welded. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. We've got a lot going on right now. We're gonna try to make it to Park this weekend on the 29th, and we've got a new angle kit coming from Charles because we won't be using the like FD spec one that's on Quentin's car currently. And we got some other parts coming in too. So I've got to get to work on that thing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on Friday.
There was a thing in there and it was big and now it's out.
That is exactly it.